All right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're about like 4 minutes late to our live stream this morning. But good morning, everybody. I hope you guys are all doing swell, doing splendid. Know what I'm saying? We vibing this morning. Let's see, bro. Put on some study music. Shout out to everybody in here, man. Shout out to you guys. That's what's up. We're going to look for the 4-hour power of 3 this morning. What up, HC? Good morning, man. All right, y'all, give me 1 second. I'm going to check a few settings real quick. All right, bro, everything looks good on my end. Shout out to everybody who's in the live stream this morning, man. What up, what up, what up, what up? All right, bro. So, let's see. Let's see what it do, though. Man, we got 5 people up in this bitch. Damn. 5 rhymes with guys and gals, I guess. I don't know. I was just trying to rhyme with 5. 5 alive. Dying in a beehive. All right, let's see. So based off USD JPY, let's just break it down, right? So we're bearish. We got this bearish down close right now. Daily has like this retracement. Looks like daily has just recently souped this turtle soup, tapped into this opposed bearish candle right here. All right, Papa. All right, Papa. Bless you, boy. Bless you. So right here, bruh, price is bearish AF. Just had this little retracement also within this. Let's see the way that it closed. I want to see the way that these two candles right here closed on the lower time frame, 15-minute. Wick made that expansion. We're like in this little consolidation right now, dude. I feel like I'm bearish, but being in like this little consolidation where it's wicking the downside, it's wicking the upside, and we're staying in this little range right here, it's ugly for me, bro. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like it. This is where the 9 a.m. opened out right here. I think this shit's about to go bearish. I think it's gonna go bearish. But it's in a consolidation, bro. I don't want to just like dive into it, know what I'm saying? Let's go see what GU and Euro dollar is doing. Jesus. What's up with these markets looking so ugly this morning? I feel like they look like shit this morning to me. I'm like, what the hell are we looking at, bro? It's this big ass candle right here. Right? Turtle souped. It's respecting this bullish fair value gap right here. We drew a little Fibonacci from like down here, this long-term low up to this high. We are currently in discount price, right? No, we had the 3 candle wick swing low right here. This one held the higher low. Let me see how price has reacted on the lower time frame in comparison to that. Excuse me. Yeah, it's gonna print a bullish candle in my opinion. So this high right here got taken out right there. The price has retraced. We went from this low up to this low here. We're in discount price. We're within this PDA. If I went long, I'd put about a 28 pip stop. I kind of want to go long here. I have a feeling that this is going to be a bullish expansion right here. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? You guys thinking the same? You guys have a similar idea? Yeah, let's do that. Let's go long. I'm gonna refresh my shit and bring up my calculator. We're gonna go Euro USD, and we're gonna risk 1%. Put a 26 pip stop. 26 pip stop loss is gonna be a 0.38 lot size. 3.8 buy going down. All right, we just took a buy on euro dollar. Many reasons as to why. I'm gonna break it down right now. Let me just delete that for now. And then gotta break it down, okay? So, one. Oops. Rice has turtle suit. Swing lows to the left. Same time. Tapped into discount price. Also respecting bullish internal range liquidity FVG, and created a 3 candle wick swing low. I am anticipating a 4-hour power of 3 bullish period. Let's go ahead and download this image. I'm gonna send it to the team in our Hotshot group. What? We got 53 members up in this bitch, bro. We had like 40 some a little while back. It's pretty crazy. Our trading journal. So we're gonna grab our template right here. Copy the template. My mouse got some sticky ass shit on it, bro. I'm gonna wipe my mouse down real quick. What the fuck is on this shit? Lady Hotshot was eating at my trading desk last night. I don't know what the fuck she got on my mouse, bro. It's all sticky. I've been using it this whole time and I barely lifted my hand. And like I felt the stick to my hand and I'm like, well, what the fuck is that? Ew. Just wipe this shit off my fucking hand. Ew. Wipe it off my mouse, bro. What the fuck is on my mouse, dude? Alright, we should be good now. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this. Go here. There we go. Euro dollar. Is there any news today by chance? I didn't even check that. I don't really look for news these days. I know that's bad trading practice if you think, but fuck it, right? Yeah. No, not fuck it. You guys don't think that way. Oh, we got some news coming soon. We got some dollar news releasing in about 30 minutes, probably less, 25 minutes. What up, David? Wow, bro, how's it going? Holy smokes, I haven't seen you in so long. Man, how's life? How you living? You vibing? Damn, dude, what's up? Gonna add our image. If you guys used to watch me in the past live stream, One thing y'all probably recognize that I didn't do then that I do now is journal. I journal everything now. Back then I didn't. I wasn't journaling for shit. Terrible trading practices. And then we drop to that 15-minute. The minuscule. Nice, we're looking good. We're looking decent. We're looking decent. Man, thank you, bro. I'm glad to be back too. That's awesome. I appreciate you for that. That makes me happy. Shit, shout out to you, David. I'm happy to be back too, bro. Straight up. I just want to get rich already, dude. Like, I'm 25 years old now. I started this YouTube channel when I was like 22, 23 years old. And I wasn't trading as serious as I am now, dude. Like, now it's a whole different type of hot shot here behind these charts. Whole different type of upgrade that I did to my whole fucking trading career and trading self, you know? Psychologically, analysis wise, the whole nine. It's pretty awesome. All right, so I'm gonna write. You got your whole life ahead of you. I'm 33 and started when I was 28. Facts though, bro. We do got a lot of time ahead of us. Straight up. I see all these youngsters, bro. And like all these youngsters, they just be making it. They making it happen and shit. I'm like, fuck, dude. Like, why not me? You know what I mean? Why not, bro? I just don't like I understand that majority of it, not 95% of why I'm not profitable and funded yet is because of my psychology, bro. My psychology, like I get overconfident and then I'll over risk, I'll over leverage. Like, bro, I'll wreck myself sometimes. And it's all goofy trading, bro. It's not how professionals do it, bro. I have to really change my state of mind and the way I think and realize I am truly a badass boss ass motherfucker, bro. Like, I'm a boss, you know what I mean? I have to put that into my head. Every time we open these charts and we take trades, boss shit. We are bosses. Hey, you guys need to relax. I'm over here live streaming and shit. You guys are loud as fuck. Go lay down. Chill out. Go lay down. You only look up in life, look down, and there are 100 times more people who are struggling. That's a fact, dude. You're not wrong. You are not wrong. That's another thing. I want to help all these struggling people, bro. Like, I want to make it so I could just hand money out, so I could just teach people the skill set. And then whenever I make it, dude, I don't even know if I want to be a mentor or a teacher, you know? I'm making so much money, bro. Like, I'd rather just want to live life. Maybe we'll see what life brings, bro. I'm still gonna document my journey and everything on YouTube. Still post like trading strategies, analysis for free and everything. Who knows, bro? We'll see what life brings whenever we finally make it, because we're gonna make it, bro. We are gonna make it. It's only a matter of time. We just have to stay strong and keep the skill up. You know what I'm saying? We drew G off that expansion, and price has retraced into OTE and respected. I am now anticipating price to respect the 15-minute FEG it is currently within. When did you start and how's it going? I legit started trading whenever I was like back in 2019. If you're asking like my trading challenge though, I'm taking a 10K funding pips trading challenge. Last week was week 1 of the challenge. We ended the week up 1%. For this week right now, we're actually, what are we right now? We're only down 0.5% right now. So we had bad couple of trading days on Monday. Yesterday it was a break-even day, but Monday was our bad trading day. So we're down 0.5% right now. We just stick to the risk model and just stay patient and keep swinging for the fences. It is currently download image. Let's go here. Boom. Image. If you guys aren't already in the Telegram group, the link is in the description of this video. I am also posting my trades in the Telegram group. I'm also sending like little signals in there. You know what I'm saying? So 15-minute. You remind me of myself when I was starting out. Stay patient, young lion. There's a ton of money for all of us. Absolutely. You are not wrong, bro. You are not wrong. You know what does what really messes with my patience and why I want it so bad and why I'm like, I need to get it already. I need to do it already and all this. So, bro, I still, and I'm sorry for everyone else who isn't in the same position as I am, but I still have like my mom, my grandma, and my grandpa here, but they're all getting very much older, you know, and I don't want to, because they've always lived poor. They've never got to travel. They never got to see the beauty in life. And I've always wanted to provide that for them. I realize what trading can do for not only myself, but also for my family. And I want to provide that for my family before they leave this earth, you know? I want to do that. Another thing, too, is I have no kids, bro. I have none. And I refuse to have children until I actually have money, until I'm funded, until I'm rich. That's whenever I would like to have children, and then Lady Hotshot can be a stay-at-home mom because she works a 9 to 5 right now to hell. She works like a 7 to 7. It's kind of ridiculous. But I want to retire her too. And the sooner that I can get funded, the sooner I can retire her, and the sooner I can put a baby in her, because I also want my grandma and my grandpa to meet my kids, bro. I want them to meet their great grandchildren, you know? And so like that's why I have this like impatience. That's why I'm like, I need to fucking do this, bro. That's why I'm like in this mental like rush to fucking get funded, you know? Uh-oh. What's she doing? Always good to have a strong reason to do this. Facts though, bro. Facts. Facts. These are my reasons, bro. This is why I do this shit. I do this shit for everybody around me. That's an ugly 15-minute candle, dog. Alright, so I went long. I put my stop loss right down here. My open price was 1.14046. Every morning, whenever Lady Hotshot is getting ready for work, she's like, dude, just get funded already. I want you to fucking retire me. She hates going into work, bro, and I hate it for her, dude. I don't want her to have to work, bro. It sucks. It's miserable. Working is the worst fucking shit ever, dude. It's so horrible to put people in this, fucking box office and make them grind their whole lives for fucking shit pay. Just letting them hope that one day they can accomplish their dream car or their dream house and never really being able to do it because of fucking the economy and how expensive shit is to actually live, bro. Like, no bullshit, I struggle in life, dude. Because I'm not funded and making money from trading yet, the only income I have to depend on is my 9 to 5, bro. And oh my gosh, dude, like, I don't get paid enough, dog, and life is just getting expensive. Y'all don't give a fuck to hear this shit. Of course not. But dude, these are reasons why we trade. We have to make it, bro. Like, I have to retire my bloodline, bro. I have to fucking do it for everybody around me, dog. Like, this shit is not just for me, dude. Every day I approach these charts and I'm like, this is for us, bro. This is for everyone around me, dog. Like, I'm not just grinding for myself. It's crazy because a lot of people around me, the people that I'm talking about, the ones that I'm doing this shit for, it's crazy because I feel like they're my biggest doubters. You know, my family, my friends, like, they don't check in and ask, how's your trading? They don't check in because they don't believe in it. They don't think that I actually have the opportunity to make multi-millions. They don't think that I will actually do that in this lifetime. They think that life is really just this little fucking small circle of you work until you fucking die, bro. And it's not. It is not. We are far beyond that shit, bro. And the way to get rich back in the day was own a business, own some property, do that shit. The way to get rich these days is to own a business, own a property, and still do that shit. But now we have online, and online opened up way more opportunity to create your business online and to continue to grow online and do these things online. Back then they didn't have that, bro. They had to do everything in person. And that's why there were so many working people versus rich people back then. Nowadays, dude, you got so many rich people, bro. So many, dude. Don't allow people to shit on your dreams, bro. They may shit on it. They may say you won't make it. That's one of the hardest things, bro. This is one of the hardest things to do, bro. Trading, truthfully, is one of the hardest fucking things to accomplish, bro. The fact that everybody in here is watching this stream, the fact that we're actually grinding this shit, bro. Trading is so hard, dude. But we're doing this shit, bro. 1%ers type shit, bro. I worked on a job I hated for 10 years before I quit since I found out about trading. Dude, I believe it. Yeah, fuck yeah. Good shit, David. See? Bro, fuck working a job, dude. A job will only keep you miserable forever. I find it hilarious when people make good money, they have these sources of income, yet they still go and work a job. And they're like, life is boring when you're not working. Bro, get the fuck out of here. Life is not boring. You're fucking boring. Go do something, bro. Make something of yourself. Go spend that money that you have all this passive income with, bro. Why the fuck would you go and waste your life at a normal ass job? You're rich. That shit makes no sense to me. The hardest way to make easy money. It is, dude. It is the hardest. The hardest way, bro. I lost most of my savings in the beginning and my back was against the wall. I had no other options to make trading work. That's usually when it happens, bro. Diamonds are formed under pressure. That's how it happens, bro. That's fire shit, you know? It's sick. It's how it happens, bro. Just have to do this shit, dude. Every day. You lose, go at it again. You lose, go at it again. You lose, go at it again, bro. Fail until you succeed. Fail more. Fail harder. Fail bigger. Critique and succeed. Life is literally what you make it, bro. Your life can be miserable. Your life can be shitty. Or your life can be the life of your dreams. It's all up to you. Every day, do something that will make you 1% better at your craft. Do something that will make you 1% better at a skill set. Do something that will make you 1% better health, wealth, family, friends, all of that. Work 1% better in each of these categories to have a more fulfilling life. Every day, you guys, every day. We go hard every motherfucking day. As soon as you enter the trade, boom, boom, boom. Upload. We just stay patient. We just wait for this shit to bust, bro. I don't like what it's doing, but at the same time, we just stay patient, man. Because we truthfully don't know what these markets are gonna do. We just anticipate it. We just see what we see and be like, oh, that looks like it's gonna buy. Trading was literally the worst thing that happened to me. Now it's gonna pay me back 100 times more. Facts, dude. Over my entire trading career, I probably lost over $10,000 or more. My entire time trading, dude, I have bought so many prop firm challenges and failed them. I have funded so many personal accounts and blew them. I have done, so many different courses, bought them. I have bought trading softwares. I have bought so many things to master this craft, bro. What up, Ansab? It's going good, bro. We're about to get wrecked. Holy shit, look at that. Oh my gosh. There's that news right there. That's that news right there, bro. That's that news. Holy smokes. Just coming straight for our stop loss, cuz. We got turtle soup action right there. Takes out this low. That's more turtle soup action. We're going to lose this trade. No doubt about it. Yikes, bro. It's an ugly ass 4-hour candle. We're about to get stopped the fuck out. Yeah, I'm holding during news, bro. If my stop loss isn't too close to current price, I'll hold during news. But if like my stop loss is like close to current price, fuck that. I won't hold during news at all, bro. Nope. Not gonna happen for me. Watch this shit totally make a fat ass wick and respect our stop loss. That'd be crazy, huh? Yeah, bro, we'll journal this too. Like, depending on how this trade plays out, it's looking like we're gonna get stopped out, truthfully. I don't have my stop loss set, but if I did have my stop loss set, it's very likely that spread would have probably taken us out right there. Very, very possible. Watch, it's gonna leave a long ass wick and it's gonna be a big ass candle or something. Trading just is funny, bro. Trading is hilarious sometimes. If it does break past this low though, then I'm just gonna manually close. And we will critique, we will readjust, we will understand what happened, why we lost, what we can do going forward to prevent a loss like this, right? Daily is leaving this big ass wick too. Honestly, I don't think it's gonna bust higher by it leaving this wick behind. The next daily candle might open and then come low to make another lower wick and then create like a higher low wick right here formed. I don't know, that's just my predictions. That's how I predict these markets in a way. We just turtle soup the previous 4-hour low right here. Look at that. Close a big ass bull candle, bro. Trading cracks me up, dude. Trading cracks me up. Stop playing with me and my emotions, bro. Just leave a big ass wick to the upside, dude. We would fucking love that. That would be actually phenomenal. That 1-hour candle needs to chill the fuck out. Closes in 17 minutes. Better not close like this. I'll tell you that much. 15-minute candle closes in a couple minutes. Let's see how it closes. Let's see how it closes. If it respects or if it fucking wrecks. We'll see what it does. What you guys think? Is this a pretty scary trade right now? Would you guys be tripping right now? At the end of the day, bro, I risked what I'm comfortable with risking. If I lose this setup, it's okay. It's not gonna break my account. It's not gonna make my account bleed. It's not gonna hurt. I mean, losing hurts. Obviously, losing hurts. But it's not gonna be a fucking detrimental loss or anything like that. Holy shit. It's holding. It is holding, dude. It's holding that fucker. There, that closed big bullish. What a crazy stop loss placement. Trading will always be emotional for me as long as we manage risk. Absolutely, dude. Absolutely. One thing I learned too about trading, because the other day I took a trade and I had to go to work, so I closed my charts and I just set my stop loss and take profit. And out of sight, out of mind, bro. I literally had no idea what was happening on the charts. But because of that, I had no emotions either. I felt so emotionless. I didn't have anything, messing with what I do during like the trade and all of this. Like I didn't have any emotions because I just closed my charts, which was actually a pretty cool feeling because then price ended up hitting my take profit. I was like, oh shit, bro, I might have to start closing my charts more often. But if I did that, then the live stream would end, huh? Oh, fucking gay. That's funny, dude. Holy smokes, this candle is really gonna close like that? Oh my gosh, trading cracks me up. See, again, we have no idea what's gonna happen. Like, imagine if spread would have stopped this out right now, and then price flies into our profit. Oh, I'd fucking lose it, dude. All right, new 15-minute candle open. Let's see what it does. Oh, it's already going. It's already going towards stop loss. Uh-oh. Just be a big bull. Just be a big bull. Big bullshit. Now news has released, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Yeah, news should be releasing. News should be hitting. Yikes, bro. This bitch just wants to go for stop loss. My goodness gracious. Yeah, it just took out that low. Yep, we're closing. All right, we took that L. I had a feeling it was going to take that L. Let's go and journal it. What went wrong, bro? Like, truthfully, if we like actually look at this, right? Why the fuck did it sell off so hard, bro? Like, realistically, why? You know, like, I have to understand why is it melting, you know? Besides the fact that we respected this bearish fair value gap, like, bro, it doesn't, to me, like trying to have an understanding as to why price did what it just did right now. We tapped into like this 4-hour fair value gap. You want to anticipate bullish reversal off of that, right? I hate trading reversals, bro. Reversals are fucking horrible to trade. But from here, 15-minute, it had like these market structure shifts, right? It held like market structure shifts. It had this big expansion into that 4-hour PDA, right? Then it retraced into OTE. I'm like trying to understand, was this a bad trade? And if it was a bad trade, why? Why the fuck was this a bad trade, bro? Because in my mind, I'm like, bro, this looked like a really solid setup to me, bro. In my mind, you know? Hybrid, get out. What do you guys think? I'm curious to know. You're in a gold short? Nasty, bro. Nasty work. Yeah, that shit's fire. Good shit. Good trade. Very nice trade. Obviously, my direction was super wrong. Holy shit, I'm getting good hot shot. Fuck yeah, dude. Good shit. Keep getting better, man. Yeah. That's the only thing you can do, bro. Just keep getting better. Keep grinding. I failed right now. I'm going to figure out why I failed, and I'm going to critique, and I'm going to learn from my failures. Is up 2.2% in 3 days. Damn. That's fire trading, bro. That's what's up. It's beautiful. Especially after like this big ass bull candle, bro. Like the market's really fucked me up right now. I'm like trying to understand why it sold off, you know? How I could have anticipated that shit. Sounds good, man. Let me know what you see. I'm like, truthfully, I'm at a loss for words right now. Maybe it's because I didn't consider the 1 hour, and the 1 hour had this turtle suit. Tapped into that. Price closed below this 1 hour bullish fair value gap. Go lay down. You're being bad. Go lay down. You don't do that. It's over here trying to hunt my corgi. If you guys haven't seen the vlogs, I have a little corgi and a little basset hound. They've been playing all morning, bro. And then all of a sudden, the hound wants to start trying to fucking hump the corgi. Like, what the fuck? Alright, bro, so where I went wrong, I didn't look at the 1 hour. So if we look at the 1 hour, this was 9 a.m. Eight a.m. was right here. 7 a.m. I think I figured it out. I think I figured out why I lost. I was paying attention to the 4 hour, And I didn't do my due diligence of dropping to the 1 hour and understanding what the 1 hour was doing. And right here, because 4 hour held this higher low wick and made this higher high wick, I was anticipating another bullish candle after that, after this 3 candle wick swing low. But if we look at the 1 hour, that wick was actually price just having this expansion down off of that 4 hour PDA. Whenever it did that, it closed below this bullish fair value gap, showing like bearish order flow. Price tapped into it and was respecting it, right? And if you drop to like the 5 minute, and like if this was the long-term high and you drew it to that low right there, price actually came into optimal trade entry. That's where I went wrong, bro. I went wrong because I didn't look at the 1 hour, dog. Oh, that's terrible. I didn't read the 1 hour candle order flow and what the 1 hours were doing. Yeah, the 4 hour held a higher low, but what's the 1 hour doing, you know? We like really look at what this 1 hour did. 1 hour tapped into this bearish order block. 1 hour turtle soups. We look for like a 5 minute. The market structure shifts happened right there. That's where I went wrong, you guys. Fuck. A new low of the day. Yeah, very, very likely. Very possible. Fuck. Oh, fuck, bro. Yeah, dog. That's where I went wrong. Let me go and update that. We used the 4 hour PO3 into 15 minute FEG and OTE. Yeah, the 15 minute FEG was my entry. It was right here. So price was respecting this 15 minute FEG, right? Price was also respecting, if we drew like our fib, price was within optimal trade entry, and price pushed bullish, and it created this fair value gap right here too, right? And so price was in that fair value gap, and that's where I bought. Where our FEG is screaming lower. Yeah, the higher time frames are definitely bullish. I mean, not bullish, bearish. Like the weekly is actually still bullish too, because it hasn't created that 3 candle wick swing high. It hasn't necessarily, in my opinion, reversed bearish on the weekly. The daily, I was still anticipating that it's still bullish too because of this candle. Once this candle closes, then I'd be assuming that we're bearish, you know, because we were still expanding higher and we haven't, well, I mean, actually, this was the 3 candle wick swing low. So yeah, the daily was bearish. The 4 hour, reason why I was looking for bulls was because, yes, the 4 hour, I was assuming that it was bearish because it was in this retracement phase. But whenever it had tapped into, because I have my Fibonacci drawn from this low to this high, it's within that optimal trade entry area. And because it had that bullish candle off of it and it created this 3 candle wick swing low right here, this right here gave me idea that price was ready to start turning bullish, especially because on the 4 hour there was this fair value gap right here that it was also holding. So like from this 4 hour candle and this candle right here holding this FVG as well as like optimal trade entry, those ideas gave me a bullish bias. I do understand that 4 hour was totally bearish, but I was just kind of sticking with it. And that's where it's so difficult. I fucking hate trading the low risk buy or the low risk sell of a market maker model, bro. Because this right here, if this would have held, the market maker model should have, you know, started doing something like that. But like that low risk buy is just so low probability, bro. And that's nearly what we were trading right there, was that low risk buy. And I do understand where I went wrong. It's quite ugh. You know what I'm saying? It's quite ugh. Oh, I tell you, my friends, I tell you. That 9 a.m. 4 hour candle pisses me off sometimes. I need to conquer this fucking model, dude. I was trading it live recently, too. Tuesday daily red candle means going down 1 deviation from that point. Yeah, bro, I don't... You lost me at deviation, bro. I don't use deviations or anything like that. I try to keep it as simple as possible. Is it because, like, are deviations like the fib levels? This would be 1 deviation, right? The 100%. I don't know deviations or anything like that, bro. Truthfully, not at all. Let me write down. It's a confirmation candle for where price will head Wednesday. Same with gold. Interesting shit. Very interesting, David. Very interesting, my friend. I'm confused on how you draw it. I'm not sure if that's what you do to draw it. Is this a deviation? 1 standard deviation? I have no idea. From the high to the close, not from high to low. Oh yeah, to the T, huh? Yup. Yup. I see what you mean by that. It's an interesting way to use that, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's an interesting way to apply Fibonacci. Not in a cap. I stopped using OTE and some other stuff. What do you use now? Do you still use PDAs like order blocks and fair value gaps and shit? Do you still catch like retracements or like a discount premium price? Damn it, you guys. It's okay, we reset tomorrow. FEG and order block for entries. That's fire. That is fire. That's fire, bro. Good stuff. Very nice. Proud of you, David. Keep going hard, dog. Keep going hard every fucking day, bro. Keep winning. Keep winning. We're going to, bro. We're gonna get filthy rich. Promise that shit, dude. Promise that shit. Oh, we're gonna get so fucking rich. Fuck, man. Every day we learn and get better, you guys. Every day. You already know. Come back the next day and we kill that shit, bro. We kill it every time. What up, Nick? How you doing, man? Do you still use the Discord? I don't use the Discord anymore. So everything stopped working in the Discord whenever I tried to use it. It wasn't I didn't know how to get anything else to work because I paid somebody to create the Discord, right? And they knew all their tools, they knew all their mods and all that other stuff. So I couldn't get it to work with my own shit. It's like I had to reach out and pay them to do it all over again. And I was like, yeah, bro, I'm not gonna mess with that because it was just a little extra, in my opinion. But I do have our Telegram group. It is free. The link is in the description. I'm posting my trades in that, just posting updates and whatnot, just documenting the journey. Nick passed his trial FTMO account today. Good shit, dude. Congratulations on that. That's what's up. That is one step closer to freedom. That's exciting stuff. Keep going hard, Nick. Keep going hard. Every single day, dude. Every single day. Accomplish every dream that you have set for yourself. Accomplish every goal. You got this, Nick. You got this, man. Good shit. As shown below. Got a nice short on gold, 5-minute OTE from 725 to 810 swing, and oil just hit take profit from 740 to 830 swing. Fire, dude. Shit. That's what's up, Nick. David in here was trading gold too. David caught that gold move as well. Let's see. Nick caught from 725, which was this swing high right here. Yup. That's a badass catch, Nick. And one stop loss on GU. So 3 trades today, 2 wins, 1 loss. Good shit. That's beautiful trading, dude. That's beautiful. Good stuff. Keep going. Yeah, I took a loss on euro dollar as well today. Shit. Horrible. Good job, you guys. Hey, as long as y'all winning, nah, I need to win too. I was about to say, hey, as long as y'all winning, it's all good. Nah, fuck that. I need to win as well, dog. I need to get profitable, bro. Know what I'm saying? Why is oil dropping so hard? I've never looked at oil. I probably looked at it once in my life. Is it this one right here? Crude oil futures? Yikes, I love that, guys. That's an ugly ass 15-minute candle, huh? Hotshot, when did you start the challenge? I started the challenge last week on the 15th. So far, I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades so far. Thank you, David. I appreciate that. I'm excited to win too, bro. I just want to win. I just want to win, bro. I just need it. I need it so bad. WTI oil. Do I trade NQ? I don't trade NQ. I'm exploring more into futures trading. I've been looking at it, but I don't trade NQ as of right now. I kind of want to. Everybody's leaving Forex for NQ. And so I'm trying to understand the reasons as to why. Because I'm like a diehard Forex trader. You know what I mean? Like, Forex trading has just always been the shit. Crude. That's the name, Crude. WTI Crude. Oh, Jesus. Looks even. Yikes, yeah. That fucker died. There's news. I don't know if this kind of news affects it. Crude oil inventories. That's later though. There's some news that might just be affecting it, honestly. I also trade NQ. I'm going to transition to futures. I need to understand it more. I was watching videos a little bit on it, but I haven't watched enough to understand like the whole reasoning why futures may be better. I think it's like for tax purposes. I don't know, bro. I do know that, you know, these charts do move really, really sexy in my opinion for sure. But like the gaps, these gaps are what fuck with me. But then like I remember like ICC saying that these are pretty much the same as like fair value gaps, and this is just somewhere where the price will come back to refill and tap into. So I guess like a gap is kind of like a good thing. So maybe that's like a good indicator. Maybe I don't know. Like maybe that's why people fuck with it, because it leaves a lot of gaps. And they're like, dude, a gap is gonna fill. I don't know, bro. I don't know nothing about futures or NQ or anything, bro. I'm like, I'm still a little fish swimming in this pond over here. If you're a USD trying to fucking get some fish food. I'm just trying to get some fish food and eat so I can become a bigger fish and then move into bigger ponds, you know what I mean? Oh shit, bro. I was over here fucking journaling this. I'm like, um I'm just gonna fucking put it over here. I'm just gonna put delete this one. Replace. Oh. I like that replace button. That replace button was a good button right there, huh? Crude oil inventory is red news. Red folder news for oil. Ah. But on NAS 100, the days are always hit or miss. Some days you just have 300 points. Less ships expansion without retracement. Facts, huh? Facts. Some days you like consolidate extremely hard. Nah, yeah, that's true. I remember that. I back in like the start of my trading, I used to mess around with like NAS 100, S&P 500, and US 30. But that's because I was watching Q Banks at the time, and Q Banks was just the master of US 30, bro. But I tell you, dog, I tell you, I haven't traded that shit in so long. It's better than Forex. When it's a bad day, it's way worse in my opinion. You only know the bad days afterwards. Facts. Just stare at it for 3 hours without any trade opportunity. That's facts, dog. That cracked me up. It made me cough a little bit. It made me choke. That was funny. You only know the bad day afterwards. That's fucking real, dude. Me too. I also watched him when I started. Yeah, bro. Like, if you trading and you don't know who Q Banks is, you need to go get put on right away. Q Banks is like one of the goats of trading, bro. Honestly, he does retail trading though. In all honesty, I just think Q Banks' psychology is fucking phenomenal. Q Banks has like this awesome psychology. His strategy is just the basic retail strategy, bro. But he has a lot of money to risk. A lot. Then on the 1 hour as shown below, after price scaled into the 4 hour FVG, This is exactly why I lost this trade this morning, you guys. This is it. Fuck. I was like, I was looking at it like, bro, I don't understand why I lost this trade. This don't make any sense. I had to really dive deep into this analysis and understand, bro, like, why the fuck did I lose this trade, bro? Why? This is exactly why, you guys. So I was looking at it like this, you guys. Here's a little recap, right? So this was my analysis this morning. This is why I was bullish and this is why I was buying. So from this low right here up to this high, I drew my fib, right? And I noticed that we were actually on the 4 hour within this optimal trade entry area, okay? Disregard this big red candle. This big red candle is the candle we were entering on, and that's the candle that fucked us. So right here, right, we seen this big green candle come up. And what is it coming up off of? We have it coming up off of this bullish, you know, fair value gap right here, right? So like I see this, and then I see this 3 candle wick swing low form between these 3 candles, right? And that's signifying bullishness to me, right? And so I'm like, fuck yeah, this is looking bullish. This is looking like it's ready to reverse, begin the market maker buy model, the buy side of the curve on the lower time frames, things like that. But what I didn't notice, right? There's this 4 hour bearish FEG right here, okay? Now, I didn't notice this. Price did wick into it, and then it moved away. If we jump to the 1 hour and we scale in on that bearish fair value gap, you'll see that there's this 1 hour bearish order block right here, right? And so right here, based off of that, you can also see on this 1 hour that price tapping into that order block in that 4 hour FEG. Price created this bullish fair value gap right there, right? And then price disrespected it again. So if price holds it, then price is likely bullish, but price disrespected it, closed below it, and began retesting it, using it as like a resistance. This is like that classic break and retest retail move. This is literally it right here in front of our eyes. But like you can see, as soon as this candle turtle souped it right here, this candle turtle souped, you know, this was the candle we were trading. We're trading the 9 a.m. open. This candle turtle soup right here. And if we look at like the 5 minute, after that turtle soup happened, 5 minute had that structure flip, right? It had this big expansion lower. So it had that turtle soup, CISD, and then you could also see up here, it had that market structure shift point right there. If you would have drawn, you know, you could have drawn 2 different type of fibs. You could have drawn a fib within a fib on here. You could have drawn from this low to this high. You had it tap into that optimal trade entry, tapped into discount, and then from the CISD of the turtle soup on the 1 hour candle, boom, you could draw another fib off of that, and you can see how it came into that optimal trade entry, 50%, 618 level right there as well. And from there, 9 a.m., it had this little retracement up, and you can say that it was just retapping into that same fair value gap before or whatnot. But this is exactly why we lost, you guys. We were on the 15 minute, and we seen, instead of that, we didn't even consider the 1 hour. We didn't consider the 5 minute, and that's something we're going to do going forward. But whenever we seen that 4 hour 3 candle wick swing low right here, I went ahead and just drew my fib from here to here, and I seen we're in that 618 area right here, and we're also right here within this. If I just redraw it from here, boom, to here, and then I seen that we had respected this right here, and we closed back above it with this bullish candle, and then within this bullish candle we had this bullish fair value gap that we're creating. And this is where I went long, you guys. This morning is where I went long, was right here. And this is where I got wrecked. This is why I got wrecked. I understand, bro. I understand. I believe I just got better in my trading. I believe it. I believe I just got better in my trading because I lost. I figured out why I lost. I'm going to continue to document it. I see what you mean from your analysis point of view, but I personally was bearish for today, but got stopped out on my short. Yeah. Damn, why'd you get stopped out? You just had too tight of a stop, huh? Fuck, bro. And David's over here in a buy now? You're a savage, bro. That has to be the first goal. It does. It really does. A quick 1 minute scalp. Oh, you're a savage. You're a savage. I'll spit on the 1 minute. I don't fuck with the 1 minute no more. If y'all used to watch me back in the day, I used to fucking love the 1 minute. I was like 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Nope. Not no more. 1% better each day. Absolutely, HC. Hey, HC, I appreciate you just hanging out, bro. If you've been here the whole time, shout out to you, my dog. Shout out to all you guys in here. I appreciate you guys. As you had me doing analysis on it. Yeah, bro. Shit. I just had to find out, see if y'all seen something different. I was on the 1 minute all the time. Facts, bro. The 1 minute was like my fucking, not my stepchild, because we don't care for stepchildren that much. No, I'm just kidding. That's fucked up. Why would I say that? That's fucking horrible, bro. I was a stepchild. I guess I'm speaking from experience, or what the fuck? Oh man, never again. I agree, Nick. Never again lower than 5 minute. Yo, XRP. Of course I remember you, dog. It has been a minute. Got me all motivated, fam. That's what's up. I'm happy, dude. I need to do more vlogs. I was watching them and I was like, these are kind of boring. I need to see how I could switch up the content and I could continue vlogging, because I want to continue vlogging. I just want to document my journey, like from broke to rich type shit. You know what I mean? Because it's going to be so awesome the day I make it. And I could just look back at those vlogs and those videos and be like, holy shit, I was broke. I was fucking going through it. I was struggling. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. And now look at me, bro. I'm gonna keep posting those vlogs, but I'm just like readjusting the content, because I was like, honestly, I could do this better, bro. I'm halfway done on phase 2. Loving the gym vids. Fire, dude. Shit, keep grinding, dude. You're gonna hit that phase 2. I believe in you. I believe in you, bro. You're gonna pass that phase 2, no doubt. I'm glad you're liking that, dude. Do you think I should do like longer gym vids, or do you think I should just keep them short and keep them cut? I was thinking like everything that doesn't have to do with trading, I'm gonna keep it kind of like short clips. But like anything that has to do with trading, I'm gonna keep it a little bit more longer formed, because my whole channel is trading. Like my whole life is trading. I'm just trader this, trader that. You talk to me and I'm like, well, the euro dollar fucking melted on me today. They're asking me, bro, I was just asking you what you want for breakfast. Know what I'm saying? My whole personality is trading, dog. They're like, did you get your work done? Well, yeah, we live streamed this morning, and David, Nick, HC, and XRP and everybody came and joined up. And Ansab said what's up too. We were just like vibing and chilling, but we took a loss. We type shit all stupid on. Oh my goodness. Thank you. God bless. Just be yourself if you're vlogging, fam. Just make sure to even it out if you're going that route. Nah, yeah, facts for sure. That's all I want to do is be myself, because like I learned getting older now, like just being yourself is where it's at, bro. Like I feel like I really am just myself. I don't really try to like be like anyone whatsoever, which is really cool. I like that about myself a lot. I'll say some ridiculous shit. One thing I need to work on is my cussing. I realized I am such a sailor pirate. Oh my gosh, bro. I say fuck every fucking sentence, dude. Like, what the fuck? Like, dude, I'm like, goodness gracious, what is going on, bruh? I curse so much, dude. So much. It's kind of crazy. It's bad, bro. So bad. So bad. I need to get ready for my little 9 to 5 job or whatever, though. Know what I'm saying? I got to go now. Have a nice rest of your day. You too, Nick. Congrats on your trades, bro. Keep going hard. Hopefully, we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, you guys, I actually got to hop off too. I got a little job or whatever. If you guys see down here, I got to go in at 9. It's 8:32 my time right now, so I got to get ready for my little job or whatever cuz, trading don't pay the bills yet. Thank you guys for joining up with me today, you guys. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for hanging out. Congrats to all of you guys who had some dubs today. Congrats on that. Keep winning. Cheers, HC, Nick, XRP, David, Onsub, everybody. Thank you guys so much for joining.